Those methods all covered things like get the first 5 characters or get characters 3 through 8. How do we get the last several characters in a string though? What if we wanted to get the last 2 characters in the string? Well, one tricky way we could do that is we could tell our brackets to start with 2 characters behind the total length of our string. Len of my string will return the number of characters in the string. So if there are 5 characters in the string, this would be 3. If there are 7, this would be 5. And regardless, this is going to go from 2 to the end, because minus 2, until the end of the string. So here it would give us DE, because those are the last 2 letters of the string. The length of my string is 5. We subtract 2 to get 3, so this becomes 3 to the end. But there's an easier way to do this. Python assumes that if we put a negative number as our start number, it should count backwards from the end of the string to decide where to start. Or if we put a negative number as our end number, it should count backwards from the end of our string to decide where to end. So just like saying 3 : said start at the 3rd character from the front and go to the end, saying negative 3 : says to start 3 characters from the end and go to the end. So a positive number counts from the beginning, a negative number counts from the end. So line 2 skips the first character, so it assumes we start at the beginning, and it goes until 2 characters from the end. And so it prints just ABC. That's all but the last 2 letters. When we instead start with negative 2, we tell my string to start 2 letters from the end, and then by skipping the latter parameter, it just says to go to the end. And so it prints DE.